Florentis Learning makes feedback easy and quick for you. Don't forget to include the student's name and your name and to select the gender on the home screen. This is critical as it is populated on various screens throughout the lesson, including the feedback screen. I'm just going to quickly jump to the feedback screen and we will take a look at filling that out. So to begin, you'll notice that it is a fairly standard template. The descriptions and the categories do change based on the level and the expectations in terms of their SEFR level. Simply begin by selecting the stars, then click the info button, copy and paste the feedback into the box. From here, you can edit it. So change words like your child and the pronouns, and you're done. You'll also notice that from the initial screen, we have the student's name and your name on this screen, including in each of the descriptors of the vocabulary use, listening, speaking, phonics, and participation. The feedback is fully editable. You don't have to use the sample feedback, but it does give you a starting point, including the things that they practiced in the lesson to make it super quick and easy. Once you're done, take a screenshot of the slide and send it to your parents.